Hello, I'm Lindley Gooden. Welcome to Marketforce's Insurance Innovation webinar hosted in association with Guidewire. Now, the insurance industry is on the front line of technological transformation with even more areas than ever of your business model affected. So it's never been more important to think about how you stay ahead of the curve, at the cutting edge. Now, there are fantastic opportunities when you're able to overcome the equally enormous challenges involved and to introduce more innovation to your business. Now, over the next hour, we'll be investigating some of the key challenges, how to take advantage of them, and how to build the innovative insurer of the future. Before we do that, let's meet the panelists who'll be helping us to prepare for that insurance innovation. First of all is Gareth Howell. Hello, Gareth.
Afternoon, Lenny. Great to be here.
Good to see you. Gareth is the Managing Director, Direct and Retail Partnerships at AXA, leading this side of the business since January. Previously, he was responsible for heading up the pricing, product, marketing and customer functions, developing and sustaining innovative and competitive propositions across all of AXA's channels and business lines. Good to see you today. Next is Kenny Leitch. Hello, Kenny.
Good afternoon.
Kenny is the Global Telematics Director at RSA. In this role, he's responsible for maximising the value to RSA Group of telematics across all of its portfolios and territories, as well as having specific top and bottom line responsibility for telematics portfolios in the UK. He also has a wider UK personal lines responsibility for technology-enabled propositions such as Connected Home and Connected Pet. Good to see you too. Next up is Gareth McChesney. Hello, Gareth.
Hello.
Gareth is the Director of Personal Lines Pricing and Underwriting at Zurich, with responsibility for the underwriting and pricing of all personal lines business, including Zurich private clients and Navigators and General. Gareth has been with Zurich for about 3 years. Prior to that, he was with Allianz for 27 years, where he had held various positions in the underwriting and pricing functions, including household manager and head of telematics. Good to see you too. Last but certainly not least, we have Mark Mullin. Hello, Mark.
Thanks very much. It's great to be here.
Good to see you. Mark is Digital Strategy Director International at Guidewire. Now, Mark has over 30 years experience in the insurance, financial services and related industries, with a particular background in underwriting and broking, having started his career as a commercial underwriter at Royal Insurance, now RSA, specialising in complex commercial risks. Mark leads Guidewire's product, strategy and customer engagement approach in EMEA, ANZ and Southeast Asia. Thanks for joining us, Mark, and thanks for Guidewire for supporting our webinar. Couldn't do it without you. Okay, so over the next hour, we will be covering a lot of ground, and you're bound to have your own questions and your comments too. So we want to give you the opportunity to put them to our panelists if you're watching us live today. You can send them in throughout the webinar, either using the Twitter hashtag, which is Insurance16, that's Insurance16, or the question section here on our webpage. We'll get to as many as we can towards the end of the discussion, around 15 minutes at the end of the discussion. For now, let's get started. And let's start by taking a look at what sorts of new technology are becoming available and how it will affect the insurance industry. Mark, first of all, what new technologies are getting you up in the morning, getting you very excited during the day?